my God, I left my wallet at home and my card is inside my wallet. What am I going to do?
Hi, I noticed you forgot your wallet because you have been searching for it. Don't worry, let me handle the bill.
Excuse me, thank you so much for paying for my groceries.
You're welcome. Years ago, a stranger helped me when I was in the same situation. I promised myself I'll do the same for someone else.
The video you just watched was created using just 2 free AI tools. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how you can create unlimited AI videos using these AI tools. So make sure you don't skip any part of this video to avoid missing out on vital information. The first tool we'll use is ChatGPT. Now you need to have an idea of the story you want to create, and ChatGPT will turn into a full movie script for you. But if you don't have story ideas, you can always ask ChatGPT to recommend stories for you. The most important thing is for you to make the necessary adjustments and make the story yours. We will use ChatGPT for our script and images. So let's head over to ChatGPT. That is where we will create our images.
So tap on the ChatGPT icon. I've already asked ChatGPT to generate my script for me, so let's read together. I said, "Hi ChatGPT, I need a short story, 20 seconds long, 2 characters. Very interesting. I want to use it to make a tutorial. Kindly generate a script for me." So ChatGPT generated this script for me, and it has just 2 characters like I requested, Ada and Emeka. So I also said, okay, now I need you to generate the image prompt for this story. ChatGPT also generated the image prompt for this particular story. So for character consistency, it gave me prompt for Ada and Emeka. So here we are going to copy the prompt for Ada so that we can use it to generate Ada's image. So here I'm telling ChatGPT to create Ada using the prompt that it has generated for me. So that's exactly what ChatGPT is going to do. So let's see. So I copy and paste the prompt, and it is going to generate Ada's image for me. Yeah, look at how beautiful the image is. It has generated Ada's image. So what I'm going to do is to save it to my device, to my phone. Yeah, it has been saved. So we'll go ahead and do the same thing for Emeka. We'll copy the prompt and also generate Emeka's image. So what I'm going to do is, after generating Emeka's image, I'm also going to generate all the images I need for the different scenes. So here I have generated all the images we need to create our videos.
Now we are done creating our images, the next thing is to create our videos using the images we have generated. The AI tool we are going to use is YouTube. Yes, you can use YouTube to generate unlimited videos and save directly on your phone. It is 100% free and very easy to use. So let's head over to YouTube and turn our images to videos.
Okay, tap on this YouTube icon, then it will open up for you. The next thing is to click on this plus sign icon. Once you tap on it, it will show you this tab button. Tap on this tab button, then you tap on create video. The next thing is to add the image we generated so we can use it to create our video. So tap on add image, select the image we have generated. What we are going to do next is to go and copy our prompt, the script we are going to use to generate this video. Copy it, then you paste it on this where it says describe your idea. You paste that your prompt there. So this is the prompt, that the script that ChatGPT generated for me. So I want to add in my own text to make it more interesting. So I'm going to add my own text to make the story interesting. After adding, I'll just go ahead and click on this arrow to generate my video. So it's generating for me to just take few seconds and my video will be generated. So let's watch the video together.
my God, I left my wallet at home and my card is inside my wallet. What am I going to do now?
So tap on this icon that looks like V to bring out more options for you. You tap on save to device. Your video will automatically save to your phone gallery. Go ahead and copy the prompt for the next scene and also generate the video for the scene too. So I'll copy it. Yeah, ChatGPT also gave me the script for the scene too. I also added something to it because I don't like what ChatGPT gave me. So I also added my own text to it to make it more unique and nice. So this is exactly what I told you guys earlier. I said once ChatGPT generates a script for you, you can also add your own adjustment to it to make it unique. So this is what I'm doing. I'm adding my own adjustment to the script to make it unique and generate something beautiful for me. So after making my own adjustments, the next thing is to tap on this arrow. When you tap on it, it will generate your video for you. So let's watch.
Hi, I noticed you forgot your wallet because you have been searching for it. Don't worry, let me handle the bill.
So we are going to save this video to our device, to my phone. Then I use the same method to generate the last scene for this short story. Edit it and put all of them together. So now let's watch the video that we have generated.
Oh my God, I left my wallet at home and my card is inside my wallet. What am I going to do?
Hi, I noticed you forgot your wallet because you have been searching for it. Don't worry, let me handle the bill.
Excuse me, thank you so much for paying for my groceries.
You're welcome. Years ago, a stranger helped me when I was in the same situation. I promised myself I'll do the same for someone else.
If you watched till this point, congratulations to you. You can now create your own AI videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what you want me to teach next.